This is a little girl. Hers not so little. And hers eating already too. Yum, 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 yum. I didn't get the first boy in the video. I'll get him next week. God, isn't she beautiful? She's beautiful Sable. Actually, all three. She had litter 3, and all of them are Sable. They're just gorgeous. I miss the Woolly. I didn't even think about getting a video, and I should have. Well, he is gorgeous. They all are gorgeous. I'm very proud of this litter. Is that good? Is that good? Yes. Very, very beautiful litter. Very sweethearts. Yes, they are. They're awesome. I'm proud of them. She is gorgeous. Yes, she is. 3 weeks old and starting to eat their food. Solid food. Very proud of them. Good babies. Sweethearts, too. They just love everybody. Yes, they do. Is that good, huh? Is that good? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Say goodbye to the camera. Say bye. Wave bye. She does like to wave. She already likes to give her paw. Wave, wave. Say bye. Say bye.